Alright y'all, what's going on, man? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. And today we'll see if we can get some pretty good footage out here at this mega car meet that they're having at the one of the local dealerships in town. So see what I can get for y'all out here, man. See if we can see some nice stuff. And okay, yeah, they already live out here, man. Let's get it in. Ooh, man, I like them fender flares all the way back into the bumper. It's carbon fiber too. See what else we can see around here, man. We got the bikes out here. This thing here is nice. But they definitely had to cut into this thing. Out here making our rounds. Let's go over to the Mazda side and see what's all over here. Look at this guy. Oh, I guess they do got it kind of set apart a little bit. We got the Mazdas out here. Ooh, here we go. At FD. With an LS in it too. Ooh. Heck yeah. Oh yeah, y'all know, man. Well, I was a Honda guy first. I would not mind having another Honda. This thing here is nice. I like these FK8s. The FL5s are cool, but the FK8s, I like those a whole lot better. This bad boy right here is clean. Talking about being one with the road, and this freaking right-hand drive too. Rear engine with a blue carbon fiber wing, and this thing is tight. It's clean. Dang. Yeah, I know y'all. Don't get too mad at me. I know we're looking at Honda. Oh, this bad boy right here is fire, boy. Oh, this is nice. Boy, got the AR back here and everything. What's happening, man? How you doing? Yeah, all right. That's clean, man. Oh, the tail lights. Oh, shit.
Oh, did you see the Panther and everything?
Yeah.
See the dragons and everything?
Yeah. We got this thing set up. Yeah, I see him moving in there. thing is clean, boy. He did some stuff to this thing. His customers, I don't know what. Look, oh man. All right. Oh, it's a clean ass paint job. Now this thing right here is sweet too. I like what they did with it. God dang.
New sights, new souls, new sights to show. Thinking of all of these reasons to leave. I need some new life. Let go, move light. New regions, new seasons, same numbers, same phone. Won't lose my luggage, you won't lose my love. If you need some, come meet up and see my new home. Some days I just feel like a bee with no queen. The colonies in chaos, the honey is green. I just can't always clock the pace, been falling off for days, can't wait to take my chance.
Got some vets over here. Oh my goodness. This is clean, boy. It's crazy seeing the mid-engine. Carbon fiber covers in here. This thing is nice. Right now, ooh, this is an interesting carbon fiber hood, or is this wrapped? This may be wrapped, but it looks funky as hell though. This is cool. I like that. I'm getting some ideas. I see some familiar Subis out here.
Live right now. I can't drive live right now.
Man, y'all, definitely a lot going on out here. Some pretty good turnout, boy. It's a little bit of everything out here, boy. Got a bunch of vets, Camaros, everything. All right, y'all. So hopefully I got y'all some pretty good footage and it ain't too boring and it's good to go. So we're probably gonna wrap it up here. And look like editing MoJo got some things that got some work to do. But yeah, man, it was pretty good, pretty nice event. It's a real good turnout, man. Lots of different cars. It's a pretty good turnout. It's kind of live. It's a whole lot of verbal tunes going on and revving up their cars and everything. Some pretty good swaps I've seen out here too. So appreciate you guys if you made it this far in the video, man. Make sure that you do like and subscribe, hit that bell notification, hit all so you get notified when I put out a video. And until that next video, fam, peace.